There's a TikTok account with 246K followers, and the videos are getting multi-millions views. Here's what I've created.
Wake up! Wake up!
5 more minutes.
I'll show you both vertical and horizontal method. Also, if you want to earn from day one, get a monetized YouTube account or a TikTok account. First of all, open any video and take the screenshot of the scene that you like. Then open ChatGPT and upload the image. Type, keep it, and wait for my next prompt. Now ChatGPT knows what we want to create. Then ask ChatGPT to give you some scripts, or you can use your own idea. Now we have multiple scripts, and we can pick any. I like this second script. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Then use this prompt. For each main character, give me a detailed prompt for each to generate a portrait for reference plain background. Hit generate. You'll get a prompt for each character. Copy the prompt and open Flow. Here the model should be Nano Banana Pro. Choose 3:4 size. Paste the prompt and hit generate. We'll use this image as reference. In the same way, generate the remaining characters. Now all the characters are generated. We need one image of each, so choose one and delete the other image. Here our 3 characters are ready. Go to ChatGPT and again copy the script. Paste the script. Use this prompt. For this story, there are 5 scenes. For each scene, give me a detailed prompt to generate an image for each. Each prompt should be highly detailed. Also mention the names of the characters separately with each scene visible in the frame. ChatGPT has gave us a prompt for each scene. Also the names of the characters for each scene. Copy the prompt and go to Flow. Paste the prompt. Add the characters as ingredients. The characters that I added are those that are in the frame. Select ratio 9:16 for TikTok. For long videos, choose 16:9. As you can see, both images are generated. It's your choice to choose one. In the same way, generate the images of all the scenes. Then ask ChatGPT. For each prompt, give me a short and concise animation prompt with the dialogue. Now you'll get animation prompt for each scene. Copy it. In Flow, switch to video, then frames. Drag the image as first frame. Paste the prompt and hit generate. The video is ready.
Wake up!
5 more.
Wake up! Wake up!
5 more minutes.
If you want to create TikTok videos, drag the vertical images frame. Use the same animation prompt. Also change the ratio and hit generate. The video is ready.
Wake up! Wake up!
5 more minutes.
Now it's up to you which style you want. If you want to earn from the day one, get a TikTok or YouTube account.